Topic 8. Healthy habits, tips and tricks for a balanced lifestyle. Introduction. Taking care of our bodies and minds is important to live a happy and energetic life. Healthy habits are like small keys that unlock a treasure of well-being. Let's explore some simple tips and tricks that help us lead a balanced and healthy lifestyle. 1. Eating right. Our bodies need good food to stay strong. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can keep us healthy and full of energy. 2. Staying active. Exercise is like a fun game that makes our bodies strong and our hearts happy. Going for a walk, playing a sport, or dancing around are all ways to keep active. 3. Drinking water. Water is like a magic potion that keeps us refreshed and helps our bodies work properly. Remember to drink water throughout the day. 4. Rest and sleep. Sleep is like a reset button for our bodies. Getting enough rest at night helps us feel awake and ready for the day ahead. 5. Mindfulness and relaxation. Our minds need care too. Taking deep breaths, meditating, or simply enjoying a quiet moment can help us relax and feel good. 6. Sharing healthy tips. Now it's your turn to share your healthy habits. Let's inspire each other with the little things we do to stay healthy and happy. Vocabulary. Energetic, full of energy and enthusiasm. Variety. Different types or kinds. Refreshed. Feeling renewed or invigorated. Properly. In the correct way or manner. Meditation. A practice of focusing the mind to achieve a calm and relaxed state. Inspire. To motivate or encourage others. Sharing time. 1. What's your favorite fruit or vegetable? Why do you like it? 2. How do you like to play and stay active? What games or sports do you enjoy? 3. Do you drink enough water every day? How do you remember to stay hydrated? 4. How many hours of sleep do you usually get at night? Why is sleep important? 5. Have you tried mindfulness or relaxation exercises? How do they make you feel? 6. Share a healthy tip that you follow in your daily routine. Why is it important to you?